Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to paint and emboss chipboard so you can add it to any project that you want. I'm going to color, paint, and emboss this to give it texture and a steampunk look. So the first thing I want to do is cover my chipboard with distress ink. I'm using kind of orange color. And then I'm adding a little bit of liquid distress ink. You can use acrylic paints if you want instead. It's just to give it an extra color, to give it more dimension. Next thing, I'm going to emboss the shapes with embossing powder. This is just clear embossing powder. So I'm applying the embossing ink and then adding some clear embossing powder. This is going to give texture and a little shine to the shapes of the chipboard. When you of course apply the heat tool, then you can see how shiny they are. The next thing I'm going to add is some thick embossing powder, which basically has larger size crystals. So that doesn't just give the clear shine, it also gives texture, because when it dries it's a little bit more grainy. So I'm not covering the entire shape, just part of it, because I want it to have that extra texture and color. And I'm doing the same thing with the black thick powder of embossing. So now I'll have another layer of color on my chipboard pieces, and because I want to give them a steampunk look, then I need to make them a little bit more industrial. So brown colors and black colors are perfect with the grainy texture like you have when things go rusty. When things go rusty, then you get those little grainy effect. And finally, I'm adding a little bit of turquoise embossing powder to give this a little bit of a oxidized color, because when you get rust and when iron or metallic or industrial things stand out for a long time, they rust and they oxidize, and then you get this look. So basically these are the steps to give the chipboard pieces a steampunk look. And this is the page that I created. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.